Hi everyone, Heather here from Loving Our Age. And today what I want you to do, after you've watched this video, I want you to think about when you put on an outfit, how can I make this, it's kind of blah. How can I make this better? So today I have some outfit combinations for you, and I know you love to see the befores and the afters, so I got that for you as well. And it's just a way to bring up the outfits and styling from drab to fab. So let's go. First, I have a go-to for many of you, and that's leggings, a long top, a cardigan sweater, and flats. Now, I'll admit that this is a nice look, but we can certainly upstyle this outfit to better, especially if we're going someplace fun. So here I've swapped out the flats for a very trendy pair of high boots with a comfy low heel. I showed before how easily you can put on these high boots by zipping up slowly and then pulling the boot up over the calf. I love the detail on these faux leather boots, and it also comes in other colors and wide sizes. And the last time I checked, they were only $57. Now, having an open cardigan can have a little more styling, so I added this fun stretchy belt into the mix for $20. Now, if it's cold outside, what about wearing my newest soft and stylish coat for just $49? And it comes in 15 colors, and I loved it so much, I also have it in pink. Now, if you dare, you could wear a hat and swap out a basic black purse for a keepsake real leather bag like this one. And the last time I checked, it was $90, and again, that's for real leather. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where, as usual, I'm going to have another inspirational message for you, and it's all about embracing this aging journey. And if you see something that you like here today that I'm modeling, you can find the information on it underneath the video description and also in the comments. And now is a fantastic time if you're looking for bargains or gifts to go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, where you always pay the same as what Amazon usually charges. And if you go to the daily deals section, it's a fabulous area. We've got over 250 deals and bargains there, and they're on housewares, fashion of course. We also have gift ideas, gifts for him and gifts for her, and kitchenwares, makeup, all kinds of different things. But let's get back to the video here, and let's talk about kind of an everyday jean outfit. So here I have a go-to white shirt, blazer, and jeans with sneakers. It's okay, but let's go from blah to better by simply swapping out the blue jeans for white jeans. And yes, you can wear them after Labor Day. Now we have a crisper, more chic look. And check out the faux pearls. We're seeing them everywhere, and yes, even with a casual jean outfit. I also rolled up the sleeves a bit on this great navy blazer for $59. And if the weather is cooler, how about adding a beautiful trench coat? I love this blue one for just $73. And instead of just belting it in the front, try a nice belted look at the back to look a little bit more chic. And if you like videos like these, made by a woman who absolutely loves fashion, and might even be in your age range, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, and then you know when my videos are out. And I know I've mentioned this before, but always know your measurements and check with them when you're buying online against any item that you see. Okay, they always have a size chart there. All right, let's talk about really getting dressed up now. You're going to a special event. There's lots of them around this time of year, but you just kind of grab the same old dress and your same old shoes, and then you head out the door. Well, we can do better than that. Let's take a look. Let's take that little red dress and a pair of pumps. And by the way, I'm happy if you dare to wear red. And of course, if it's cold, you need a sweater over the dress, and sleeveless at this time of year can be a bit chilly. But even the red dress isn't giving you a wow factor. And since these events are so special, let's add a little sparkle with this fabulous sequin blazer for just $55. It's fully lined and comes in 15 colors, including gold and silver. I also added a gold purse, and you know what? This is a sparkling yet sophisticated look for any woman, and it doesn't matter what the color of your go-to dress is underneath. Now, I just showed you how one addition, to an outfit can really bring it up from drab to fab. But next I'm going to show you how a simple camisole or sleeveless top like these can really bring up the temperature in your styling of your outfit. Let's take a look. Here I have a basic black blazer, and we all have one of these, but most of us just wear a white shirt underneath. And although I love the black and white combo, here are 3 ways to upstyle this blazer. First of all, animal prints are back, and they are really trending right now. This simple sleeveless top for just $22 gives this plain black blazer a bit of a wild edge to it. And how about a silver cami like this one for $22? Metallics such as silver and gold are very on trend right now. And just make this look, a little bit more expensive. And next, how about being pretty in pink with this silky undertop for just $24? And as with any outfit, don't forget your jewelry. My favorite hoop earrings with backings are just $14, a chain necklace just $18, and this beautiful clasp bracelet for $14 finishes off the look of this and any outfit. Now let's talk for a minute about the art of getting dressed up. My daughter is visiting me. I am so excited because she lives like hours and hours out of town, and her favorite movie is Moulin Rouge. And I was just watching TV the other day and an ad came up, and they're doing a theater production of Moulin Rouge in my city, so I just bought tickets. Yay! Now, as I reflect on the styling tutorial that I just gave you, I don't want to look drab. This play, it's got a really great Parisian flair, so I'm going to be wearing my red lace skirt, I'm going to be wearing a lace top, booties, and a moto jacket. Now, I actually just finished texting my daughter and I said, pack a nice dress, because I want to just, both of us to feel and look great for this special mother-daughter event. And I know she loves to get dressed up. I wonder where she got that from. I always seem to say here that, it's important for us to show the younger generation that growing older is not something to be feared, but it's something to be embraced. And I know for sure that my daughters are watching me, so I try to look chic and fabulous. And it builds up my self-esteem and also my morale, not just for me though, but for others around me. And for me, that's just one more way to be loving our age.